All right, so this will be a quick video. I mentioned in my previous video that I want to open up my Forex account and start trading some Forex, possibly, but this is the application process, and I'm doing it on Thinkorswim because I already have Thinkorswim accounts, and I just thought this was interesting, and I figured I'd share it to the YouTube community, right? Per CFTC regulation 5.5 below is a chart that provides the total number of non-discretionary retail Forex accounts and the percentage of those that were profitable and unprofitable in recent and preceding quarters. Now, this is direct from TD Ameritrade, and so they're telling me the data. You know, this is part of the application process. So, percentage of customer-directed accounts that were profitable. This is a percentage though, right? So in quarter one, out of 61,000 accounts, right? Just this quarter that just ended, and only 33% were profitable. 67% was not. The quarter before, here the total accounts, and 70% were not profitable. Quarter before that, 55,787 accounts. 72% were not profitable. And then the quarter before that, 73% not profitable. The good news is when you look at this, people are starting to get more profitable, right? From last quarter two of 2020 to now, right? It's less people right here. Look up here. There's more people that was profitable. And so look at the account growth too, right? So 52,782. Quarter two 2020, and now look, right, I'm up 10,000. What is that? About 10, almost 20% increase a year later in Forex, retail Forex accounts. So just something interesting I figure I'd share with you guys. Subscribe, like, you know the deal. Thanks for watching. Peace.